Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry, and I'm going to go finish winterizing our irrigation system that's outside. The job starts with some serious pliers. These are large channel lock pliers, not the biggest I have, but they're big enough to get going. I'm going to go to utility building and turn off the water that goes out to the garden. The next step involves this little pancake compressor, but I have to add something special. Well, a pair of channel lock pliers, much smaller than the last pair that I used. And I have, or I think I have, yes I do. I have a special tool that allows me to blow the water out of our irrigation line, so we'll get on with that. Now there are 3 beds here that I'm going to be taking apart the plumbing that runs water both to the drip irrigation and into the water that goes in the bottom of these beds. These are a wicking bed. There's plastic liner, there's rock in the bottom. That water will wick up through the rock into the soil and keep our plants going. I have a union here that I can remove this entire fitting. There we go. Now when I'm all done with this irrigation winterization, Irene and I will move these pieces probably into her studio or into the workshop so they're safe this winter. I'm opening up the valves so that if there was any water stuck in the pipe, it is free to come out. That's 2. And the third one is a little bit different because I actually have 2 unions on here. They do the same thing as the other 2, but because I plumbed the water into the base of this wicking bed down through this second pipe, I need to have the 2 unions. Well, that gets these 3 beds more or less ready for winter. Getting the rest of this set for the cold is going to take a little more time. I'll be using that compressor. I think we'll have to pull some of these irrigation heads off in order to gain access to the various parts of the bed. I'm going to go take a look and see if I can gain access to one part of this irrigation along the foundation of our house.
Now the first